Welcome to your active system. Here's how to wear the OrthoCor Active Neck System for therapy. Let's get started with setup. First, locate the power cord included with your system. Plug it into the USB-C port on the bottom of the OrthoSource controller. You'll see a red light turn on. This means the system is charging. After about 90 minutes, the red light will turn off, letting you know it's fully charged. Step 1. Prepare the OrthoPods. Open a new package of OrthoPods 5 to 10 minutes before your session so they have time to warm up. Make sure the logoed side is facing down or they won't warm properly. Step 2. Start your therapy. Gently insert the OrthoPods into the ortho docks on your device. You'll feel the magnets pull them into place. Once your therapy session starts, a blue light will appear on the OrthoSource. Each session runs for 2 hours. You're now ready to begin your therapy session. Here's how to wear the OrthoCor Active Neck System for therapy. Gently place the device over your head and around your neck so the OrthoPods on the inside are positioned at the back of your neck. Adjust the fit so the top edge of the back of the device rests comfortably at the top of your neck, right where it meets the base of your skull. If you can't place the device over your head, open the hook and loop closure on the side to place it around your neck instead. When your therapy session is complete, the blue light on the controller will flash for about 2 minutes before turning off completely. Gently remove the device from your body. Remove the used OrthoPods from your device. The magnets will release easily. Discard them in the trash after use.